another of the specific questions they ask you on that self-report form is about how you deal with assessments, how you keep track of the data, and then what you do with that data. So rather than trying to think back, oh my God, what did I do with that? You can actually look at the form that you have on the data and just read off, okay, I did these interventions for these number of students. I typically will have the students' names at the beginning of the year, look up what they made on their state test for the last year. Then when you have your benchmark, put the benchmark grade in, note the objectives they need to work on, and then use that knowledge when you actually do your interventions. Whether it's peer tutoring, tutorials, just helping them with study skills or whatever it may be. And you may have to do multiple columns if you have more than one benchmark or mock test. And then at the end of the year or the beginning of the next year when you have the state results, you can put that in there and give that information to the teacher they will have the next year, and that'll make it easier for them, and they'll appreciate that teamwork there. And the last question that's addressed on the self-report form is about what professional development you went to and how you actually used it. So as I attend professional development throughout the year, I'll put in what I attended and then what I think I'll use. So usually when I'm jotting down notes during the workshop or seminar, whatever it is, I'll just make a list of everything that I think I'm actually going to use, and then it takes you 2 seconds to go on the computer and type it in. So, for example, you go to an ESL workshop, you think you're going to use foldables and a game, just type that in, and then at the end of the year, you can reflect, okay, actually I only ended up using the foldables. Jot that in. So you have everything you need to write down in that report for you already on the form, and it's a lifesaver because it gets really hard to remember every meeting, every training by the end you used it.